Welcome to J.A. Bistown. I am Joshua Wallin, the mayor. Come with me. I am the government person in charge and I represent J.A. Bistown people.
I am the CEO of CB Stock Shop.
I am the CEO of Guardsman.
I am the CEO of Jabistown TV. Today, we will be providing the businesses of Jabistown and advertising opportunities, interviewing
J.A. Bistown, the newest town in Jamaica located on the Ministry of Education's Canewood property at 37 Arnold Road in Kingston. It was created strictly for children, as government sees the need to develop the country's human capital from an early age. The town is a model working economy in which students apply for jobs and are both workers and consumers.
This program is called J.A. Bistown, Junior Achievement Bistown, and it originated in the U.S. Junior Achievement exists in 121 countries, so we're one of the countries implementing it.
The initiative, which falls under the Junior Achievement Program, is being implemented at a cost of approximately $70 million, with most of the money coming from donations. Major support is provided by the Rotary Club of Kingston, the United States Agency for International Development USAID, the Ministry of Education, and a myriad of private stakeholders.
The purpose of J.A. Bistown is really to teach students at a primary school level about what it takes to work. What are some of the work readiness skills that you have to have? What are some of the business skills that you have to know? When you see a company, you see their product. Is it just their product that they have to be concerned with, or is it what happens behind that? They have to look at salaries for staff. They have to look at operating costs like paying utility bills. And when your parents leave or guardians leave and go to work, what does that mean? Where are they going? What type of responsibilities do they have?
The program targets 10,000 grade 5 students who are being trained in a localized version of the international curriculum before they get to operate their businesses at J.A. Bistown. They are trained by select teachers who themselves received training prior to the classroom instructions.
These students are facing real-life experiences and they're having fun doing it. They're learning math, they're learning to express themselves in English, and they're learning how to relate to those who come among them, their customers. And there are many, many other lessons that they're learning.
I'm writing up the date and who is the check is going to go to and the sum of money they are going to get. And I'm writing it here in numbers and right here in words. And I'm writing up the account number and my signature.
Today our staff at Lime will be installing phones in each business in Bistown.
I'm a cashier. I collect payments from the customers who buy things at Lime. Good morning, how may I help you?
I'm here to purchase a Samsung phone.
This one?
Yes.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am a publisher of Jamaica Yellow Pages. A publisher of Jamaica Yellow Pages design website and send it to other people so they can come and get more information about it.
J.A. Bistown is a true example of involving students so they can learn and develop the skills for a brighter future.
I'm proud as a Jamaican, and I'm a proud member of a government, because this is the type of project which needs to be replicated, not just here in Kingston, but we hope that we can do others across the country.
Yes, that's the next plan of action. The Ministry of Education, along with Junior Achievement, is working on expanding the program from the current 10,000 grade 5 students to all 42,000 grade 5 students across the island. A plan is also in progress to develop a similar town on the other end of the island, targeting rural students and saving them the long drive to Kingston.
It showed me how to work with other people and have a great business, and it teaches me a lot.
I learned so far to do the lawyer business and to write up papers and to do other stuff.
I have learned to write checks and I have learned to get money from the bank.
All part of the training of our students to be productive professionals for the future. As government continues to focus on the strategic priority of developing our human capital in a bid to make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.